Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to sort out values in Excel. Alright, so let's say for example you want to apply sorting either in ascending order or descending order on maybe a particular row or a particular column in Excel. How do you do that? It's very simple. So the first thing you have to do is to select the column you want to work on. So for example, let me say I want to apply sort to the country column here. You can simply highlight. Now if you have a smaller data set like this, you can just simply highlight it like this. You click and drag. All right, it's as simple as that. But what if you are having, let's say, thousands of rows? You have a large data set. How are you going to highlight? Will you click and keep dragging down, down, down? No. Excel makes it very simple for us. So let's say you have a large data set of maybe 1,000 rows. What you will do is to come to this point where you are seeing this alphabet, this capital alphabet. All right, you click on it. Automatically it highlights every data on that column. All right, everything has been selected. Okay, so that's how to select every value on a large data set in a particular column. So the next thing you have to do, you have already selected your column. The next thing you have to do is to, we are on home tab here, so you move to sort and filter. This is sort and filter. Click on the little drop down icon here. So you are now seeing sort A to Z or sort Z to A. That means this is in ascending order, this is in descending order, this is in ascending order. So which do you like? So let's say I want to sort in descending order from A to Z. I will click on it. Now be cautious of this. Read what you are asked to do. Now it's asking you, what do you want to do? Do you want to expand the selection or you want to continue with the current selection? What does this mean? If you want to expand this selection, it simply means that it's going to have effect on every other column here. So if you select this and click sort, it will not only sort country, it will affect every value in the table. All right, it will work with every value in the table. That means if it's selecting this and France maybe is coming first, that means every value that comes with France will also respond to this sorting. But if you choose continue with the current selection, that means it's only this column that I highlighted that it will affect. It will not affect every other value, and which is very, very wrong, because it will alter the credibility of your data set. So what you have to do is leave it on expand the selection if you know that yes, what you are going to do should move together with every detail. Because if I'm sorting out these countries, I want Dan Colwell, who is a male, to also the detail should also follow France to wherever is relocating to. All right, so leave it on expand the selection, click sort. Now you can see that everything on the table changed, not only this column. All right, so you can see it has been sorted out in descending order from F, G, U, and US. So that is how to apply sorting in Excel. So before I end this video, let me undo this. Control Z. Let's say after selecting this column, I want to apply sort, and then it pop up this, and I now said no, continue with the current selection only. Now watch what is going to happen. This sorting is going to affect only this column, country. Every other detail will remain as it is. Click on sort. Do you see that? So that's the difference between the two options provided. But if you are working on a serious data set and you really want to work and make sure that what you are doing is very correct, please select expand to all other column on the table. That way everything will synchronize and whatever you are sorting will go together with the other details on the table. Hope you understand. Thank you guys for staying to the end. If you find value in this video, do well to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video. See you on the next one, guys. Bye bye.